In this chat, we're tackling that super frustrating, inconsistent leak under your sink basin that just won't stay put and keeps you guessing. Alright, so here's the deal with these sneaky leaks that show up randomly under your sink and then dip out like they never happened. First off, leaks that come and go are usually a sign of pressure changes or temperature shifts messing with the pipes or seals. You mentioned the plumber tightened bolts, which is smart, but sometimes the problem's deeper, like a cracked pipe hidden behind the cabinet walls, or a slow drip from a faulty gasket that only leaks when water pressure hits a certain level. Another thing to check is the drain trap, the U-shaped pipe under your sink, because if it's loose or clogged, water can back up and cause leaks in weird spots. Also, don't forget about the dishwasher connection. A tiny crack or loose hose can leak when the dishwasher runs but stay dry otherwise. To troubleshoot, try leaving a dry towel under the sink and check it after running water or the dishwasher to catch where it gets wet first. If you can't spot the leak visually, sometimes using a flashlight and mirror helps find hard-to-see drips. And hey, if you're up for it, applying some plumber's tape on threaded connections can add a bit of extra seal power without breaking the bank. Just keep an eye on water stains or puddles and try to map out when the leak appears, like after heavy use or certain times of day, to narrow down what's triggering it. One of the biggest headaches with leaks under sinks is ignoring how water pressure changes can mess with seals and joints, so don't just tighten bolts and call it a day. Another common slip-up is overlooking the dishwasher or garbage disposal connections, which can be a sneaky culprit when leaks pop up inconsistently. And lastly, many folks miss checking the condition of old pipe fittings and gaskets. They might look fine but can degrade inside and cause those random drips. The fix? Regularly inspect all hose clamps and fittings for wear, test your water pressure to see if it spikes too high, and don't hesitate to replace old rubber seals or cracked pipes before things get worse. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch for homeowners dealing with stuff like this because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for gigs, that site is a solid way to find new clients who need help with home repairs, big or small.